Hi everyone. So Friday, 22nd of December, pre-market, 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. Eastern time. And yesterday, it went down to, after first 15 minutes, it went down to 249. And from there, there was a hike. And after that, it came down to 250. And I clearly said that I think there is a support it's forming at. It actually did form a support at 250 level and went up, and it closed around 254. Right now pre-market is $2 up already. 256.89 is the pre-market. And but there is a resistance I see at 257 to 259. I see a clear resistance at this point. So from here, I'm not sure that it's gonna break out, or it's gonna be another pullback or crash. I'm not too sure. So 9:37 a.m. ET, and right now I do not really see any valid reason to go up. The only direction I see, in my opinion, is to go down. It will go down to at least 250 today. Right now it's 9:38 a.m. I think that's my prediction. My opinion is market will go down. Market will go down to at least 254. After that, it might reverse. I don't know, but I think market will go down no matter what. I'm still optimistic that it will go down. It will go down from like 10 o'clock. I was just saying it will go down, it will go down, it will go down. It didn't go down, but I still hope that it will go down. So entire day, I kept saying it will go down. It will go down. It will go down. Finally, it actually came down at sorry, uh, 2 o'clock, 2:25. It came down to 251. I was saying it will come down to 250. It didn't so far, but it actually came to 251. So I was close. And I think there is a possibility again, still now, to come down to 250 anyway. So guess I was right. Thank you so much for watching.